Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream where we are going to create our fitness application. So last time I streamed at 4th December. Yeah, and at that stream I created some features like filter exercises. But today we are we'll be trying to create. I'll be trying to create the main feature of our application, that is logging exercises. And this logging exercise feature should be completely offline, so we'll be using IndexedDB, and a library for that is Dexy. So I don't know how we are going to achieve this functionality, but I'll try reading the docs and maybe getting our hands dirty. So let me share my screen. So this is what we'll be using. We'll be using Dexy.js. Basically, you know, as we are using a web app, so to store anything, we need an external database. But but in this app, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to have a offline first database. So we'll be using Dexy, and then maybe we can create something like a SaaS application where you know for all the pro members can actually sync the data on an online database, you know, so that basically it can help to uh, help to generate revenue. Actually, the goal by creating this application is to create a SaaS type of application. I know fitness application, there are lots of fitness application might be better than this, so but I'll try to create one too, why not. So there is a lot of code, like I tried to do something yesterday, but yesterday I was watching Loki season 2. Absolutely awesome. I completed the whole season in just one day. So I did not get any time to work on the application. So I was like, let's just work, on stream. Much better. So I don't have any hopes right now like I can complete this whole feature like I've been doing like from past 3 days. But let's see. Let's see how it goes. I also made some changes to route. So instead of on the login screen, it showing like a on the like the main route should be the dashboard instead of showing a login screen. So there are some changes. Let's see. I also uncommented all of the sidebar changes because we need all of this. So last time what we did was we fixed all of those card issues. As you can see, also I need to fix the scrolling issue. Also there is related videos, body part, details, step-by-step exercise. Now the plan is to create this feature, add to workout plan. Now it doesn't work here. We'll go step by step. So first of all, let me open my Notion. So what we were doing, like Access task. Let's look at the task. Filter exercise. Filter content based on equipments. Okay, and we need to do this. But we'll do it later on because the main feature of the application is we haven't built that. So my main focus is to first build that, and then we can fix UI, add some new feature, and the last thing we need to do is upload it to Play Store. Remove unused code. This is very big task, We'll do it step by step, and as the application progresses, I think we will be done with this task. Today, we'll start with exercise logs. Let's create some to-dos. So first of all, what my planning was to, in this live stream, at least create a schema, finalize our schema for the application, and then we can create a front end, basically depending on that. So we'll create schema. So for that we need to study what is IndexedDB. Actually, I know IndexedDB, but I haven't gone deep into it. I need to know what actually IndexedDB is. I think it is a NoSQL database, as far as I know. So structure our create a schema, write code for it, and then we can consume create front end based on schema. So the plan was to create all of these tasks. I mean, the plan was to complete the application till Sunday, but I had a final exams of BTech on 6th December, so I had to study a little bit, and that's why I couldn't stream, couldn't work on it. I mean, the final exam was very easy. I had cloud as a subject, but still I was let's first complete our last exams of BTech and then start streaming again. So I have a free month now, and I can do anything I want, in this 25 days, 23 days, I mean. So let's actually first read about what is IndexedDB. What is IndexedDB? IndexedDB is a low-level API for client-side storage. Let me just decrease my volume. Okay. IndexedDB is a low-level API for client-side storage of significant amount of structured data. including files, blobs. These uses API using indexes to enable high performance searches of this data. IndexedDB is a way for you to persistently store data inside a user's browser, because it lets you create web application with rich query abilities regardless of network availability. Application that store a large amount of data, for example, an application that don't need persistent internet connectivity to work. If you have assumption from working with other type of databases, you might be get thrown off when working with IndexedDB. So the following key characteristics of IndexedDB are important to keep in mind. Okay, IndexedDB database store key value pairs. The value can be complex structured objects, and keys can be properties of those objects. You can create indexes that uses any property of the object for quick searching as well as sorted enumeration. Everything you do in IndexedDB always happen in the entire context of transaction. And the IndexedDB API provides a lot of objects that represents indexes, table, cursors, and so on. But each of these is tied to a particular transaction, thus you cannot execute commands or okay. I can't understand. I know it's asynchronous. It uses a lot of requests. Okay. The thing I want to know is how can I create a schema? Like let's say, in SQL databases, what we do is like we can create a workout and then create one-to-many relationship. How can I do it here? Okay. Oh no, class. I don't like class. I mean, can't I just use db.js? Okay. Let's ask Bard and ChatGPT too. How to create workout application using But first of all, I want to know what kind of model I'm using. Because Bart just released Gemini, if I remember correctly. Where can I find it? Flights, hotels, maps, workspaces. Damn, they got a workspace too, Google Workspace. Nice. Very useful. Should have found it much earlier, you know. Pension. Never mind. How to create workout application. Create a schema. So what kind of table we have? Have I written schema anywhere? I think I did it like somewhere. No, no. So first of all, user should have workout, create a workout routine. User store some workout to a particular day of the week in the routine. User can store User should create a workout routine, then users can store some workout to a particular day of the week in the routine. Exercises. User can add logs for that particular day. Okay. I will specify more. Log should have the log should have the date. That date reps no amount of sets, or else should set reps. Wait. Okay. And also I'll just copy it to ChatGPT and I will add it here. User ID, unique identifier for the user, username, password, email, I don't want it. Routine, name, description, user. Can we have foreign key though? Damn! Damn, they just... ChatGPT is a goat, bro. Like, come on. But you need to step up your game, you know. Okay, let's see. User. Okay. Sorry for the glitch. I think there was some packet issues. Lol. Anyways, so what I was saying is like instead of writing an increment ID, let's see what kind of ID it is. They just gave started cheat sheet. Auto incremented primary key. Okay. Unique. Do we have docs? I mean, we do have docs, but I just want to know. I think I'll just create,